Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 47. In this lesson you will learn about question tags. This is a way to turn a statement into a question. Listen out for the tag at the end of the statement in the audio. There are 4 easy exercises in this lesson. Be sure to speak them out loud. When you speak English, don't worry about making mistakes. Keep talking. Don't stop to think or try to translate what you say in your head. This will slow your learning. Like learning to swim, you have to be in the water.
Here's your room key. Your room is 254.
Thank you. It's a non-smoking room, isn't it?
Yes, that's correct. All our rooms are non-smoking.
Good. And breakfast starts at 6:30, doesn't it?
Yes, 6:30, that's right. Enjoy your stay.
Language point. To get. Verb. Often in informal English, we use got instead of or with have. For example, the room's got a view, hasn't it? This is the same as the room has a view, hasn't it? The room has got a view, hasn't it? The room's got a view, hasn't it? Any of these can be used. Other examples: the room's got a TV. This is the same as the room has a TV. It's got a bath. This is the same as it has a bath. Language point. Did you know that people count the floors of a building in different ways in different countries? Take a look at the illustration on the right. Here's your room key. Your room is 254. Thank you. It's a non-smoking room, isn't it? Yes, that's correct. All our rooms are non-smoking. Good. And breakfast starts at 6:30, doesn't it? Yes, 6:30. That's right. Enjoy your stay. It's a non-smoking room, isn't it? Breakfast is included, isn't it? It's on the first floor, isn't it? Dinner starts at 8, doesn't it? It's a single room, isn't it? It's got a shower, hasn't it? It's a double room, isn't it? It's got a bath, hasn't it? My booking is for 3 nights, isn't it? My room's on the ground floor, isn't it? My room's got a minibar, hasn't it? The checkout time is 11 o'clock, isn't it? The room's got a TV, hasn't it? That's the end of lesson 47. I do hope you enjoyed it. In the next lesson, you will learn how to describe your room. See you then. Bye-bye for now.